We're happy. Give me a high five.
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch. I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch. My life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch. I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it.
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy, and I'm back with another mother loving video. What the heck was that? Oh, okay, that was my phone. So I'm back with another video. So we just gonna get like straight into it, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all watched my big chop, y'all know, I just chopped my hair off. And I couldn't be more happier, to be honest. Actually, I could, which is why I'm doing this video. But anyway, and yeah, so I dyed my hair black. So what I'm about to do, I just feel like in order for me to be like happier with myself, it needs to be shorter. I low-key, high-key want to shave my hair off. I want it gone, like completely. And I feel like that's just the vibe I'm on right now. Yeah, and so that's just the vibe I am on right now. Because everybody is on quarantine. Well, I don't know about everybody, but I know the majority of the world is on quarantine. I decided to go to Myers and buy some clippers. I think I just want it shorter all around, like evenly. I went to Myers and bought these clippers. Mind you, I'm not a barber and I have no clue what the heck I'm doing. But when you're on quarantine and you have nothing else to do, you go buy some clippers, I'll tell you that. So yeah, life-proof trimmer, rechargeable clippers, 20 pieces. It comes with a bunch of stuff. That's that. So we just about to get right into this video. All right, I got my pick. So this is what the clippers look like. Ooh. That literally gives me chills, bro. It reminds me of a tattoo. The first step in the freaking instructions, it says to oil your clippers first. So it comes with, it's a 20 piece. So I literally have all the guards laid out from 8 to 1. So I did some research, and the highest number guard is the lowest amount of hair you're gonna take off. So say I'm using number 8. It's gonna take off the least amount of hair. So if I go all the way down to a number 1 guard, that's literally me going straight to my scalp, giving me a buzz cut, if that makes sense. It says to be careful, so like you don't put too much on here, so it don't go down to the motor and mess up the motor. So I'm just going to cut the little piece off. I'm just going to just add a little bit, which makes sense, so like it doesn't like snag your hair. And so I'm just gonna take the brush. I never used clippers before. The only time I've used clippers, that was literally to shave off my eyebrow when I was a little girl. And I tell you this much, my eyebrow ain't never ever grown back, and I'm freaking 25. I'm just oiling the blade, the clippers or whatever. Meanwhile, while I'm letting this run for like a minute or so, I'm gonna pick out my hair. We're happy. Give me a high five. All right. So this is it, and this is the 8 guard. Okay. So like I said, the higher the number guard is, the least amount of hair you're gonna take off. So I got the guard on there. And I'm just gonna start at the top. So I'm looking this way because this is where the mirror's at. I am not a barber. You see how it's like long? First of all, it is so much longer on this side than it is this side. I have the number 8 guard on here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go as low as a 4, maybe not past that. And this might not even take off any hair, but we about to see. So here goes. Okay, so I switched angles, so hopefully this could be like better for you guys. I can really notice it. I can really see the difference, to be honest. So we're about to get the back because before I get to cutting too much of this, yeah, it's definitely sticking out in the back. So what I'm about to do, so I'm just about to get my mirror, my little mirror, and get to cutting. the 8. That's the 6. All right, so now I'm on the 6th guard. All right, Deezy Nation, so I'm gonna stop right here because I don't know how short it's going to be with my curly hair, with it being wet and stuff. Okay, Deezy Nation, so yeah, I'm gonna just stop right here. And now what I'm about to do, I'm about to line up my back. So I could line it up with just this blade, but it also came with a trimmer. It also came with a trimmer head. So I'm gonna do this just because it's smaller, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta worry about, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and oil this one up, just how I did the other ones. So just a little bit of oil on that. Brush this back here. Alright, Deezy Nation, so this is where I'm at right now with the length. I definitely feel like I'm going to want it shorter, but I really won't be able to tell until I wet my hair. So I'm just about to clean everything up because it's so much hair. I'm about to see if I can show you. Like, it's hair on the sink, on the floor and stuff. And so I'm gonna try and clean up, and then I'm going to wash my hair and things like that, and I'll be back. All right, Deezy Nation, so this is the final look. I didn't want to style it on camera because that could be a whole different video. So if you want to see me style my TWA, comment below and let me know. That's on what? So period. But this is it. I was kind of worried because I wasn't too sure if it was gonna be short enough. And I could definitely go shorter because right now it's like stuck to my head and it's styled, and you know how it's styled. But I think I can deal with this for right now. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and see, turn around so you can get the back. So yeah, this is the back. That's that. I wanted it short and even all around. That's what I decided. I didn't want the taper sides and the taper back how I was talking. I felt like that was a little bit too boyish for me. I mean, I feel like I would be able to rock it, but excuse me, I'm already too much of a boy already, and just to have that whole tapered and then, you know what I'm saying, I'm straight. But yeah, let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see the curls. I just take like random pieces and I just finger coil them, which is why you see random finger coil pieces. You know what I'm saying? I did my Googles. Or whatever. I did the Googles. So, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Because like I always say, that's how I interact with you guys. That's how I know what you guys want to see and things like that. And yeah, and y'all can follow my life on there. I hope everybody's quarantine is going well. I hope everybody's being safe, because I am safe in the house, cutting my hair off day by day, inch by inch, okay? And not caring either. I really want it shorter. Y'all really don't understand. All right, y'all. Your girl Deezy is out. Bye.
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas.